In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Notion using Mermaid, a straightforward diagramming tool that integrates seamlessly within Notion's versatile platform. Whether you're mapping out ideas, designing workflows, or making decisions, creating flowcharts has never been this intuitive. To start, you'll need to create a brand new page in Notion. Give this page a fitting name, something like Flowchart, to keep things organized and easy to find later on. Now, inside your newly minted page, you'll want to type the / followed by the word code, and then select code from the list of options that appear. Doing this inserts a code block into your page, providing the canvas on which your flowchart will be built. Next up, let's change the language of this code block to Mermaid. To do this, simply locate the option in the top right corner of the code block, click on it, and choose Mermaid from the drop-down menu. Now you've set the stage for your flowchart creation. You may be wondering how to generate the Mermaid code necessary for your flowchart. Well, you've got two choices here. You could dive in and write it manually if you're familiar with Mermaid syntax, or for a more accelerated approach, you could use an AI tool such as ChatGPT. For instance, you might prompt it with something like, create a Mermaid markdown flowchart with the following structure. Top idea leading to two sub-ideas, followed by results, and finally, an evaluation of pros and cons. Such prompts will generate the code structure you'll need. Once you've got your code ready, simply copy and paste it into the Mermaid code block in Notion. This is where the magic happens. Your diagram will materialize right away in the split view, giving you immediate visual feedback on your flowchart's composition. This interface offers real-time editing capabilities, allowing you to update and refine your chart as your project evolves. Simply make adjustments to the Mermaid syntax within the code block, and watch as the diagram dynamically updates to reflect these changes. This adaptability makes the setup incredibly powerful for ongoing projects, allowing for a flexible, visual way to capture complex ideas and workflows straight in Notion. And there you have it. You've now crafted a fully editable flowchart, all within the confines of Notion. Leveraging this method not only streamlines your diagramming process, but also encapsulates the fundamental beauty of using Notion as a comprehensive productivity tool. I hope you enjoy experimenting with this feature and finding new ways to enhance your productivity. Feel free to replay any part of this tutorial if you need further clarification. Happy charting!